What are your thoughts and ideas about land pollution? Do you believe we contribute to or are affected by this? Land pollution is the accumulation of waste causing public health risks, soil contamination, and inconveniences due to improper disposal and mismanagement of land resources. It is important that we are aware of the causal factors that lead to increased land pollution, such as construction, littering, waste, urbanization, improper trash disposal, and landfill waste that is not properly managed. Land pollution has several harmful effects on us humans and our environment, such as contamination of our drinking water, polluted soil, climate change, habitat destruction, habitat shifting, an increase in wildfires, increased air pollution, and increased human health issues including cancer, respiratory illnesses, and congenital disabilities caused by exposure to harmful chemicals.
Now let's dive into Ordinance Number 18-40, Series of 2018, which is enforced with the aim of managing the distribution of single-use plastic items in restaurants and stores to reduce plastic waste that generates floods in the streets of Parañaque City. This prohibits business establishments, including malls and grocery stores, from selling and providing styrofoam and single-use plastics as packaging material for dry goods. Establishments serving food, including food carts, are restrained from providing customers with plastic products. The ordinance has no exceptions from small businesses to huge corporate enterprises. As consumers, this ordinance encourages us to bring our own reusable bags when shopping and to avoid using single-use plastics. As you may have noticed, this focuses on business establishments because they are the main distributors of single-use plastics coming from packaging.
Moving on, we have Ordinance Number 05018, Series of 2005, which provides the standards for segregating and collecting waste in Parañaque City and mandates our responsibility as citizens to properly manage our waste. This is in compliance with Republic Act Number 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. Our obligations include separating biodegradable materials from non-biodegradables in our respective households for easier collection and retrieval of recyclables by our solid waste management team. We are also required to avoid littering to maintain the cleanliness of our community. Failure to observe these requirements would mean getting environmental violation receipts. Not only would be facing the consequences, but also contributing to the continued land pollution in our city. If your answer is B, you are correct. If your answer is A, you are correct.
Did you know that plastics by nature can withstand the test of time? They can stay for hundreds of years according to studies. It only means one thing: they really leave a footprint on the environment. Single-use plastics are being thrown away after just one use, and they only pile up in landfills, making land pollution worse. There are green ways we can prevent this. By using eco bags, we can save money because we can reuse them as many times as we want. Eco bags have a wide range of designs that can complement and match our style. An all-in-one bag that's fashionable, functional, and most importantly, eco-friendly. Another important factor in preventing land pollution is community initiative. It fosters a strong sense of community and builds partnerships and consensus, all in all resulting in a healthy community that addresses environmental issues together. It also leads to sustainability. Initiating action on environmental issues and concerns is not only an effort to better our current living conditions. More importantly, we consider and care for the future needs of the community and perhaps even the entire country.
And lastly, we have the so-called 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We are called to reduce our consumption of basic utilities and resources and repurpose non-biodegradable materials like plastics, styrofoam, and bottles to minimize the state of land pollution in urban areas. Research has proven that the 3 R's work. For instance, in 2010, Scholar Chu found that 13.11% of barangays under the cities of the National Capital Region made significant improvements in their community's segregation of solid waste through the projects that apply the 3 R's. At such a time as this, and in such a world as the one in which we live, it is more important than ever to think not only of what is present, of what is in front of us, but also of what is to come. Even in plastic usage and waste management, each and every one of us can make a monumental, long-lasting difference. As we move forward in life, let us be mindful advocates of these things for the good of the community and our environment. Be aware, be informed, and be involved.